Hey everyone, this is a new listing I have coming up. Definitely an investment property. One of the very last fews available. But here, come take a look. Very sturdy. A lot of the wood that was pad, they replaced it. But definitely take a look. Here would be living room. Kitchen, little paint job. Here's one of the bedrooms with the bathroom. Here is another bedroom, definitely a lot bigger. And here is another room. Could either be used as a bedroom or as a dining room. But definitely great for investment. Let's go outside too. Here's the backyard, pretty spacious. Because the property ends up at that road and it splits here with this property. And this is a cool one. You have your own root cellar down here underground, which is pretty interesting. So if you're looking for an investment property, definitely consider this one. Not many properties are going for this. This one's going to go for $110,000. So jump on this one.